So my name is Bachir Nacouzi. I'm the sales director for Orbus Software for the Middle East and African region. What I do is that I'm in charge of selling Orbus Infinity in the region for the government, private sector, across industry. It's a cross-industry job. Going from the customer management to making sure that the pre-sales are set up and closing the cycle for the sales. This is my job. So Orbus Infinity is the product, is our cloud solution product. This is the product that we showcased in our round table at 11 today. From an Orbus Infinity perspective, we specialize in Orbus Infinity or Orbus Software. We specialize in enterprise architecture, coupled with the BPM or business process management capability. What our solution does is that it gives a holistic view of a holistic or a digital blueprint of a company. And now with the, we're in the AI era. AI is embedded. We have our native AI embedded within our solution. Going from a chatbot, giving you the ability to by simple queries to build your dashboards, your reports, do your diagramming from a business perspective. There are five major business drivers that we cover, or use cases that we cover. One of which is the full-fledged management of a digital transformation, whether digital transformation or a business transformation or a cloud transformation. That governance is part of our driver, one of our drivers. Being able to manage the costs related to technical costs, making sure that we're investing, or the companies are investing in certain applications, making sure that the costs related to those are allocated in the right way, making sure that the projects are being managed so that is the cost management perspective. And then, because again we're in the AI era, we create AI-driven value, which helps. Our tool helps entities and organizations to govern their AI initiatives. The types of entities, as I mentioned earlier, we're a cross-industry entity product. We don't focus on industries per se, but we have vertical solutions for each and every single industry. Small businesses are not our customers, but we're talking about medium-sized and big corporations. First, you're going to be able to give your employees and the people who are running your operational side from an IT perspective or from a business perspective, the ability to take the right decision at the right time with the least effort. What our solution does is that it gives you a connected view of all your enterprise layers, going from the bottom layer, which is the technology, up to the application and data, up to the processes, up to the strategy. And that connected view, whenever you have it, whether you're a CIO or you're a CFO or an HR director, you're going to have the ability, based on your profile, to address the costs, address the technology spend, or address the operational part of your day-to-day job, in shortening the time to take the decision and giving the ability to your team to do something else rather than building reports for hours and hours.
Understood.
From a vendor perspective, we're a Microsoft preferred partner. Our stack sits on Microsoft and takes advantage of all the Microsoft ecosystem. We're hosted in the UAE from a cloud perspective on Microsoft Azure in central database, central UAE database, and the North UAE database. This is from a partnership perspective, from a technology perspective. But from a partnership perspective on the ground, we're a partner-first company. What we do is that we rely a lot on partners to implement our tool, to support our customers. This is from an implementation perspective. One thing you need to know about our solution is that we integrate across board with any application, whether in ERP, a CRM, field service, a customer service, in ITSM, a CMDB. We integrate with all those solutions to be able to become the central repository of the data.